Hi, I'm Steve, the County Web Guy, and in this episode of What's on the Virtual Courthouse, we're going to take a look at the Landscape and Imagery Explorer, one of the many interactive maps that are on our website. With me is Royce Simpson, GIS Programmer Analyst and the developer of the app. Welcome, Royce.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us a little bit about what the Landscape and Imagery Explorer does.
The Landscape and Imagery Explorer is a unique web application that allows internet users to visualize Larimer County from a land-based standpoint. This geographic perspective allows for a more holistic approach to decision making.
Sounds pretty interesting. Let's take a look.
Here we are at the main Larimer County website, www.larimer.org. Mouse over to the About tab, and you'll see an option for Maps, GIS Maps. Click that, and you'll be directed to our mapping page. From here, you'll see a link to the Landscape and Imagery Explorer on the left. Click that, and the application will start up. Let's go over some basics. You can click the blue arrows on any of the three main panels to hide or show them. This can help make the map more visible when you have limited desktop space. You can navigate around the map by using these buttons to zoom in, zoom out, pan, navigate back to previous views, and go to the full view of Larimer County. Let's have a look at the mapping layers. First, I'll only turn on the base map layer, which displays roads, lakes, streams, and administrative boundaries. Next, we have the National Land Cover Dataset, which shows land cover types. Third, we have a digital elevation model, which displays elevation changes. Fourth is a hillshade layer. This allows us to see changes in the terrain. The fifth layer is the USGS quadrangle layer. These are the maps that can typically be purchased at sporting goods stores for detailed outdoor navigation. And last, we have 7 aerial photography layers, ranging in date from 1999 through 2010. All of these layers can be turned on, off, or made transparent. This transparent effect comes in handy if you want to display multiple layers at the same time. For example, we can turn on the USGS quadrangle layer along with some hill shading for a dramatic 3D effect. One of the more interesting aspects of the transparency effect is the ability to slide through the various years of aerial photography. Turn off all the layers except for the aerial images, then use the slider bar to transition between the years. You get a time-lapse view of land development over the past 12 years. Let's take a look at the measurement tool. Click the Activate button to start. You can get measurements for points with several output units to choose from. Just click the point in the map to get the coordinates. You can measure linear distances by clicking once per point along the line, then double-clicking to finish the line. Available units are feet, yards, meters, and kilometers. Finally, you can measure areas by clicking the points of a shape and double-clicking to finish. The results are displayed at the bottom of the window. Just below the Measurement Tool button is the Markup Tool button. This allows you to add shapes to the map to highlight features. These shapes can be saved to PDF and distributed via traditional printer output or digitally through email. You can adjust the shape type, color, transparency, and weight of the markup graphics. The Larimer County Landscape and Imagery Explorer has a robust search engine built right in. If I type the word Horsetooth, our servers will scan Larimer County GIS data tables and return results for addresses, landmarks, lakes, streams, and subdivisions. If you click on any of the rows, the map will navigate to that location. When you zoom in on the map, parcel data will become visible. You can click any parcel to get landowner data, as well as land cover percentages for that parcel. And that's the Larimer County Landscape and Imagery Explorer. It's an easy way to view our county from many different perspectives.
So there's really a lot of powerful features in this app, Royce. What are some of the technologies you use to develop this for the IT folk out there?
The Landscape and Imagery Explorer utilizes specialized web mapping services and Adobe Flash Player content developed in Adobe Flex. This combination of technologies blends a rich, easy-to-understand user experience with robust, complex geospatial functionality.
Great. Well, thanks for the demo, Royce. Appreciate it. That's it for this episode of What's on the Virtual Courthouse. Thanks for watching.